LGBTQ behavior in Jamaica. Zine, wanna choose for them put up Batman advertisement in a half a tree. It's like when you figure out all of these things I want to choose. So at this point, I can't blame Andrew only for nothing, you know. Zine, I can't blame Andrew for nothing. And from now on, Zine, big up Andrew. Me, now go read posts. Nobody in a hospital on floor with drip all up. Me now go read posts. No UA hospital without water. Me now go read posts. None of them something there. When taxi man a protest at half a tree, I will not repost any of that. When the nurse and the teacher them and the police them and the fireman them are protest for no money, when them not get paid, me now repost it. Or even days before election, the fireman them are complain to them not get their money, and me still did post it. I will not do that. I will not do that. The Jamaican people have chosen what they want, and we have to accept it. Zine, the raft man them, where Andrew them run off of the river, where they can't do no rafting. Uno na bother ball again and things say Foota I go go na strength. Me nah post none of them something there. Cause uno choose what uno want. No, I have never seen. Me don't know if I will be Andrew use. Me don't know if I buy him by vote. Whatever it is, the people has chosen the side what them want. The people them when a COVID will get locked up and have to go pay how much money a court. None of the injustice cannot make me post nothing about it again. Airlift handlers out of airport will strike how much time. Immigration officers will strike how much time. Police will strike how much time. And them, at if the ballot box them, uno choose this. Uno choose it, you know. Uno choose this. So, my views on the Prime Minister has not changed.